Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will teach you how to play the chorus part of Kal Ho Na Ho song. Okay, so after watching this video you guys also will able to play the chorus part of Kal Ho Na Ho song. So this one is a easy tutorial and the notation you can get it from my blog, link in the description. And today I'm using my double G flute. Okay, so let's get started. Before that I will play one time and then I will move to the tutorial. Okay, so listen carefully. So when you play this song, you have to play both knee. Okay, so Shuddha knee and Komal knee. Okay, so keep it in mind and let's get started. First line. Sa ni sa ni sa ni sa ga re sa ni dha ni dha ni. I will go slowly. Sa ni sa ni sa ni sa ga re sa ni dha ni dha ni. Okay, not in middle range, you need to play it on high range of your flute. Okay, so once again, sa ni sa ni sa ni sa ga re sa ni dha ni dha ni. I will play one more time. Okay, and then repeat that line for 2 times, like sa ni sa ni sa ni sa ga re sa ni dha ni dha ni, and then sa ni sa ni sa ni sa ga re sa ni dha ni dha ni. Okay, and then pa da sa dha ma pa dha pa. Okay, when you play ma, it should the ma, not tiruma. Okay, pa dha sa dha ma pa dha pa. One more time. And then again, pa da sa dha pa ma. This time you need to come to ma. Pa dha sa dha pa ma. Like okay, now next part, ma ni dha pa. This time you need to play Komal ni, not Shuddha ni. Okay, ma ni dha pa pa dha sa dha pa ma. Ma ni dha pa. When you play Komal ni, you need to open half from dha. Okay, like this. So you need to open half from this one. Okay, ma ni dha pa. Last line once again. That's it, guys. So kind of easy, right? So you need to repeat whole part for 2 times and that's it. So now you know how to play the chorus part of Kal Ho Na Ho song. So tell me what you think about this video, and also if you need any tutorials, comment so I can make it for you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like this. And let's meet in another tutorial video. I hope so. So thank you for watching. Keep playing, keep practice.